All right, so if you're looking at your code, where would we put navigation? Where should we put it in our code? Anybody? I'll give candy for somebody that answers me. I didn't know. Where would we put our navigation here in this code? After what command? Okay. Probably like right after our body command, right? Before any kind of other things, right? Navigation's at the top of your page, usually, right? So we'll put it right after our body, okay? So an easy way to get code is to go to W3 Schools, right? Copy code and modify it, right? So if you do CSS navigation, like I did, you should be able to browse for or you can go to CSS and go to navigation bar over here, right? Okay, so browse for that so you can copy code, make your life easier. On this first page, we're going to go ahead and copy this UL command, okay? Are you with me? Okay. Then right after the body tag, paste, Control V, paste that. Okay. Save. And then refresh your home page and see what you have. Or your, I don't know, this page. Do you have links? They just say home, news, contact, about, right? If you click on them, what happened? Nothing, right? Click back, right? Because we haven't linked them to anything yet. Okay. So, for now, then let's link them to your other pages, okay? So, this is what I want you to do. If you don't have these other pages, then you're going to have to wait on this part of it, okay? But remember, we created pages for all of these, right? Songs, people, website goals, quotes, places, hobbies, okay? You can put these names in there for now if you didn't do this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this would be your name, home, whatever you named yours. .html. You can leave that as home. This is places. .html. Then this would say places. This would say, I'm trying to remember the order of what I had here. this would say songs people this probably be done. This probably should be cap. I guess that doesn't matter, actually. This is songs. This is people. I'm going to copy a few of these and paste so I can add some more. Okay, so people, websites, hobbies, goals and quotes. And one more. Okay. I don't like that it's bugging me that that's not lined up. Okay. So once you get all those in there, save and refresh, see what you have. Let me find mine here. Now see if they work. You're going to have to click back for right now. Okay, but see if they work. So they should be going to all the other pages that look exactly the same, except for they have everything right now. I already messed. Did I go over this with you? Did I show you? I did show you how to put a video on, but I don't think I had you delete everything else, did I? We'll do that yet. Okay, so they should work. Basically, you have a navigation bar now, okay, but it's not formatted yet, which we'll do more tomorrow, okay? At this point, though, you should have links to all of your other pages that are the same, okay? Now, how would you know that? Well, I'm gonna stop there because I'm gonna make sure everybody has that by tomorrow, okay?